because they're, not sure I'd call it fun.
No. I mean, better to do it at Atlantic Beach than, you know, in Chicago.
I have a friend who does it every year in Minneapolis, and I don't know how. Where it's, you know, -10 or something.
They literally, I mean, the lakes freeze over up there. They have to cut a hole in the ice.
To jump in?
For people to be dumb enough to jump into the freezing lake water. I mean, I grew up there, but there's a reason I live here.
Good for them.
Yeah, I got out.
Take it.
Let's take a look at how cold it is around here. We're at 13 degrees. That's our low temperature so far this morning. I don't think we're going to drop more than another degree, maybe 2, but I think we're going to be steady right around 13 degrees, which keeps us above this morning's record low temperature. So thankful for small mercies there. 8 is the record low temperature this morning, set back in 1928, and we're going to be above the record lows for the next 3 mornings. Those record lows in early January are mostly in single-digit territory, so at least we're staying above those the rest of the week. It doesn't mean we're going to see any warm weather headed our way anytime soon. Currently, it is 16 degrees in Fayetteville. You're a little warmer than the Triangle. Dark skies out there right now. Clear skies overhead as well. No blanket of clouds to hold any warmth near the ground. More and more single-digit temperatures showing up on the map. 9 in Sanford and in Henderson. 8 South Hill. 5 right now in Roxborough is the cold spot. 13 in Raleigh. We're kind of the middle ground. It gets a little warmer as you go south and southeast, but not enough to matter. 18 right now is the less cold spot in Clayton, but you factor in a breeze and it feels like 11 in Clayton. 5 the wind chill in Raleigh right now feels like 1 in Rocky Mount and 3 in Roanoke Rapids. Bitterly cold out there this morning. Bundle yourself up, bundle the kids up. We'll keep saying it over and over. And yeah, it's common sense advice, but we can't emphasize it enough. You need everything for the winter weather gear: gloves, hat, scarf, the heavy coat, and you're going to need that throughout the day because temperatures just aren't going to warm up a whole lot. Air temperatures will climb up to around freezing, but the wind chill is still going to be around 20 degrees by noon, and then gradually improving. Not only because the temperatures warm up, which kind of drags the wind chill up too, but the winds are going to die down. So the air temperatures and wind chills will be very close together during the afternoon. Lots of sunshine overhead. It'll look pretty. And the good news is we won't have to contend with these single-digit wind chills tomorrow morning. Closer to the air temperatures to start off the day on Wednesday. We're thankful for that. High temperatures today climbing up to, again, around freezing. A little above towards Fayetteville and the southern end of the coastal plain. A little below as you head towards the Virginia state line. Very close to freezing, but just remaining shy as you look around the Triangle today. 31 degrees expected in Raleigh and Durham. About 30 degrees in Chapel Hill. Then we have to talk about that chance of snow headed our way late tomorrow, mainly along and east of I-95. This is going to be one of those systems that moves up the coast. The center of it is going to be well offshore. Any wiggle in the storm track could have a big impact on our weather. If it goes a little farther offshore, it drags the snow away from us, even farther away from I-95. If it wiggles closer to shore, that sends the snow a lot closer to the Triangle. But right now, it looks like the best chance of seeing some snow on the ground by Wednesday night into early Thursday morning is going to be along and east of I-95. But look how fast it goes from nothing to quite a lot of snow as you get closer to the coast, and then a transition over to rain. So this is going to be a boom or bust type of event, and then it's out of here as we head into early Thursday morning. Talking about amounts, and again, this is still speculative. The timing is going to be tomorrow afternoon and evening for the onset of that chance of snow, with the heaviest falling through the evening and early overnight hours. Around an inch possible along and east of I-95. That number is still flexible. This isn't the last word on this system, so stay plugged into the forecast for potential changes. Could be a tricky afternoon and evening commute along I-95 with some snow and slick spots, especially on the bridges and overpasses. Another shot of colder air crashes back in behind that system as we see clearing skies on Thursday with highs around freezing. 30 degrees Friday, only upper 20s for highs on Saturday after a bone-chilling start, and then we finally warm up a little bit as we head into early next week. Can't happen soon enough.
Gosh, I think